Hello everyone. Today, I'll be presenting the first case study of digital transformation using DCF, Digital Capabilities Framework. In case you are not familiar with the DCF, don't worry about that. You can easily understand the DCF while you are going through this presentation with me. Let's start with the first slide. The first case of digital transformation I want to share today is Kakao Bank in Korea. There are two internet banking service providers in Korea, Kakao Bank and K Bank. We will study about Kakao Bank because many people think Kakao Bank is leading the digital banking market in Korea through the successful digital transformation. Kakao Bank launched its service in January 2016. It achieved a record of opening over 3 million accounts in just a month and 10 million accounts in 2 years. It now has 11.3 million customers in a country of about 51 million. South Korea's two online-only banks have shown a contrasting scoreboard in their third year, with Kakao Bank recording its first ever profit and K Bank failing to get off the ground due to the lack of funds. Even though Kakao Bank doesn't have the CDO, Chief Digital Officer, it has a CTO organization leading digital initiatives for technical planning, mobile channel development, channel server, big data platform, and so on. Kakao Bank provides many interesting and creative services to customers. One of the popular and most used service is money transfer. Why is that? It's because you can transfer your money to your friends without knowing the bank name and account number. You and your friends just need to be KakaoTalk friends. KakaoTalk is the most used messenger service in Korea. About 45 million Koreans are using KakaoTalk. Money transfer using KakaoTalk enhances customer experiences a lot so that Kakao Bank has about 11 million customers and records #1 in terms of mobile monthly active users. I define the digital transformation as a way of finding new, innovative, and creative customer journeys using digital technologies. As you can see in this slide, Kakao Bank provides many new, innovative, and creative customer journeys to enhance customer experiences and create new business values. Let me introduce 5 popular services of Kakao Bank other than the money transfer. First, you can apply for a check card with the account name and color you prefer. It provides a kind of personalization service. Second, there is a gamification program that you can do 26 weeks installment savings with 3 options for the installment amount. Third, you can open a get-together account that many people can share that account for deposit and withdrawal. It can be used for family members and communities. Fourth, Kakao Bank supports international remittance, supporting money transfers to about 200 countries in a fast and cheap way. Lastly, you can do savings using small money scattered in bank accounts from different banks you have registered. All of those services are supported by Kakao Bank's mobile application, including opening an account in just 7 minutes online. That is why I think Kakao Bank is one of the digital transformation leaders in Korea. Let's see what digital capabilities are required to support the money transfer customer journey without knowing bank names and bank account numbers. There are 5 major customer journeys to do that. First, you launch the Kakao Bank mobile application using your fingerprints. For that purpose, Kakao Bank supports FIDO, Fast ID Online. FIDO is a set of technology-agnostic security specifications for strong authentication. Using FIDO, you can use your fingerprints to launch Kakao Bank mobile application and execute money transfers. Second, you select your KakaoTalk friends. your social friends to transfer your money. Third, enter the amount you want to transfer. Let's move on to the next slide to see the rest of the customer journeys. The next step, the fourth, you can select different message cards for your friends. You can also customize messages for your friends. And lastly, you see a confirmation message for the completion of money transfer to your friends. Your friends see the message about the money transfer through the Kakao mobile application. Actually, he or she get the notification message from the Kakao mobile application for your money transfer. You can send money to your friends in minutes and share your messages with your friends. In summary, we need a mobile application, FIDO, personalization, and social messenger platform to deliver the money transfer service without knowing the bank names and account numbers. An Amsterdam-based fintech consultancy group analyzed over 150 challenger banks or internet banks worldwide. According to their analysis, many of the banks are still not profitable, as you can see in this slide. Especially, all of the region's top internet banks have a negative profitability. As I said before, the K Bank has been crippled by liquidity shortages as it failed to get the much-needed capital fueling amid legislative setbacks. In the meantime, Kakao Bank, led by Korea's biggest messenger operator Kakao, recorded its net profit last year totaled about $1.4 million. Looks like still most challenger banks or internet banks are relatively early phase and have yet to establish their foundation with sufficient economies of scale to be better positioned for profitability. However, I think Kakao Bank is founded a way of establishing its foundation for profitability by launching creative and innovative services based on digital technologies continuously. As we saw in the previous slide, it's hard to compare financial performances like the net profit margin among banks because most of the internet banks are in the red. However, we can observe that Kakao Bank is continuously developing and launching new and creative services by leveraging its affiliates' messenger platform and digital technologies like a mobile, FIDO, and personalization. That's why I want to rank Kakao Bank as one of the digital masters, at least in Korea. Whenever I survey companies, I always try to visit their websites and app store to find out the maturity of their mobile services. You can identify what issues and challenges they are facing. Here I capture the end users' reviews on Kakao Bank and K-Bank mobile applications from the Google Play. You can easily see which mobile service is much mature, right? So please allow me not to go into details. Here are the main resources I refer to. And I here strongly recommend you to visit App Store or websites for the application or services you want to investigate. Which company you want to investigate. So I will put together another case study using this app in a few weeks. Now, thanks for your time and listening. Thank you. Bye.